Experience the future of viewing with the Crua 32 4K UHD. Imagine stepping into a world where every frame is razor sharp, colors are more vivid than ever, and gaming just got a whole lot smoother. That's what this incredible monitor offers. A 4K curved display that wraps around your field of vision, delivering an immersive experience like no other. But let's dive deeper. With its stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution, you'll enjoy crystal clear details in every corner of the screen. And with a 1500R curvature, you'll feel like you're sitting right in the middle of the action, like your monitor is an extension of your own eyes. But what really sets this monitor apart is its smooth, fluid performance. The 160Hz refresh rate helps reduce blur and input lag during fast movement, making it perfect for competitive gamers, PC users, and content viewers who want to experience smoother performance in their favorite games, streams, and daily activities. And then there's the color, oh, the glorious color. With a 120% sRGB color gamut, you'll enjoy richer, more detailed colors that bring your visuals to life. The built-in RGB lighting adds an extra touch of style to your gaming setup or streaming station, making it stand out from the crowd. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk about the tech behind this beauty. With AMD FreeSync, you'll get seamless, synchronized performance across all your devices. And with HDMI 2.1 and DP 1.4 support, you can plug in your console, PC, or any other device that requires these ports. But here's the best part. The Crua 32 4K UHD is backed by a team that truly cares about its customers. They're committed to delivering high-quality products and premium services. So if you ever have questions or need help, they'll be there to support you every step of the way. Now, let's talk about some of the other amazing features this monitor has to offer. The Crua 32 4K UHD comes with a range of customization options, including color settings and display modes. You can easily switch between different modes, such as game mode or movie mode, to get the most out of your viewing experience. The monitor also features a built-in USB hub with 4 ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. And with a single cable, you can connect your console, PC, and other peripherals for a clutter-free setup. But what really gets me excited is the level of immersion this monitor offers. With its 32:9 aspect ratio, you'll feel like you're stepping into a new world every time you turn it on. And with support for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, you'll experience a level of depth and dimensionality that's unparalleled in the industry. And let's not forget about the audio. Oh boy, the audio. The Crua 32 4K UHD comes with built-in speakers that deliver crystal clear sound with zero lag. You can connect your own external speakers or sound system for even more immersive audio, but the built-in speakers are a great starting point. But don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. This monitor is designed to be easy to use. The intuitive interface makes it simple to adjust settings and access features like the USB hub and audio settings. And with a comprehensive user manual and online support resources, you'll never be left feeling lost or unsure. So why wait? Click that link below to experience the future of viewing for yourself. With the Crua 32 4K UHD, you'll be transported to a world of unparalleled visual fidelity and immersion. You'll feel like you're right there in the action, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows. Imagine sinking into a comfortable seat, surrounded by stunning visuals that seem almost otherworldly. That's what this monitor promises. An immersive experience that will leave you breathless. And with its unbeatable price point, it's an investment that will pay for itself many times over. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade to the Crua 32 4K UHD and discover a whole new world of viewing possibilities. With its cutting-edge tech and stunning visuals, this monitor is sure to take your entertainment experience to the next level.